Hello friends, welcome to Data Shaping and Transformation. In this video, we will understand what is data shaping and transformation, and I will be using infographics for this demonstration. So let's begin. Here we have our messy data, and I want to walk you through this messy data set. If you'll observe the messy data set, you will notice that it contains various types of data, all packed together and scattered within the table. And in this messy data set, you will also find different categories, including animals, bottles, and humans, both male and female. By the end of this video, after applying data shaping and transformation, it is expected that our clean data set should look like this. Here we have our clean data set on the right side of our screen with added columns and multiple rows. Now, before we go further on how this data was shaped and transformed, let's first understand what is data shaping and transformation. Now, data shaping and transformation mainly occurs in the Power Query editor before loading data into the report. For data shaping, this is about rearranging or structuring data. For example, splitting a single column into multiple columns, pivoting or unpivoting data, filtering, sorting, or merging tables. While data transformation, this is about modifying or cleaning data. For example, aggregation, removing empty rows, replacing null values, changing data types, or adding calculated columns. To visualize data shaping, let's imagine you start with a square, your original data set, and after transforming or restructuring the data, it becomes a rectangle with additional columns or rows added. Now, if we think of data shaping as changing the structure, we could start with a square data set and transform it into a rectangle by adding more variables, or even go the other way from a rectangle to a square, depending on the data requirements. In ideal terms, we might say that data shaping is like reconfiguring the skeleton of your data, where it starts in one shape, say square, and through transformation, it can stretch out to form a rectangle. Now let's go through the steps involved in shaping and transforming this data. Step 1. Get data and load. In this step, we import messy data into Power BI. This is where we connect to different data sources and load them into the system for processing. Step 2. Data loading. Here we have our Power Query editor, where we refine the data by filtering and sorting. Filtering removes unwanted records, while sorting organizes the data based on specific criteria such as gender or category. Step 3. Data cleaning. Here, we clean the data by reshaping it into a structured format. This prepares the data set for deeper analysis. You can see in the step 3, we have our shaped data. Step 4. Data transforming. Now that we have our transformed data, let us explore the meaning of each column and the types of information they contain. For our gender column, we have sorted the data based on gender, the females in yellow colors, while the males are in blue colors, making it easier to compare groups. Now, for our total human column, we have also sorted the data based on human counts. This column sums up the number of humans per row, and the color coding helps match each total to its corresponding gender. Now, for the total bottles column, we aggregate the total number of bottles per row, and the green color keeps it distinct from other columns. While for the last column on our transformed data, this column counts the total animals in each row, categorized by species using different colors. So far, we have explored each step of data shaping and transformation in detail, understanding how Power Query helps us clean, reshape, transform, and prepare data efficiently. Now let's bring everything together and see how the steps connect to form a smooth data transformation process. Here we have all our steps and processes from our messy data set up to our cleaned, shaped, and transformed data set. Thank you so much from Facom Analytics, and as always, do like and subscribe for more data content like this.